I trust my lola's opinion and I listen to her. So, ayan. Nag-no makeup look na ako. In fact, naging inspiration ko rin si Lola sa paggawa ng beauty brand ko kasi palagi niya sinasabi sa akin yan, Abby, you look better na walang makeup. Pero kasi gusto ko makeup, right? Ayoko lumabas ng house na walang makeup man lang. So, I had to work with the balance of my makeup, pero mukhang natural. So, ayun yan. Ganda, di ba? Alright, guys. I'm going to show you how I actually prepare my skin. Although I put sunscreen already, I will be putting now my favorite BB cream, which is my brand, Avi Siwa Beauty. I'm doing it while I'm trying to put my kids to their siesta. When I was younger, I used to do siesta. And because my Lola told me that if I sleep, then I will be taller. I do the same to my kids. Anyways, ayan. Ang look ng BB cream ko. It's very good. It's very smooth. Walang mga clumps, which I hate when you put some of these creams, nag-ano siya, nagki-cake or nagka-clump. So, parang, so if you have uneven dry skin, hindi maganda yung effect. So just make sure when you do this, you spread it well para it looks natural and it looks like you don't have any makeup. I like to achieve the no makeup look so it looks natural. My grandma said, mas maganda daw ako pag walang masyadong makeup. So, I trust what she says. So, ngayon, madalas na hindi talaga ako masyadong nagme-makeup. Kasi, mas nakikita daw yung beauty ko. Lola knows best. So, I am putting lang actually the lip and cheek tint para talagang kala mo natural lang. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? Ganyan lang. Glowing. Natural. Now, problema ko kasi yung eyebrows ko, I used to pluck my eyebrows and then so nawalan ako ng hair here so I have to actually line it. But basically this is how I prepare, very simple lang, and then what I do is I put a little bit of contour here para mas ganon. So their face, when I gained weight, napupunta dito sa face ko yung weight. Pero okay lang. Not really bothered by it. It's just that it looks better when yung cheeks mo medyo, what do you call this? Contoured like that. See? Pero again, because I want to make it natural, I just make sure I apply it like a basta natural contour of my face. Hindi masyadong halata or it doesn't look like naglagay ka. So, yan siya. And then, diba? Ang ganda. Ano pa? My kids are laughing at me kasi pinapanood nila ako. Ano pa? Perfect na ba? Ganyan lang. Sometimes, when I want my eyes to pop,
maglalagay ako ng liner. This is how I do it. Konti lang ganyan. And then, I smudge it using the other end when I'm tamad or in a hurry. Yan. Diba? It pops out more. Nag-open yung eyes mo. Kasi yung eyes ko, of course, I have small eyes. I'm part Chinese, right? So, gusto mo mag-pop out yan and more dramatic. Natural pa rin. Now, because my fake lashes naman ako, I don't need to really put. So yes, I don't really need to put any mascara kasi may lashes naman ako. Although, medyo natatanggal na siya. I need to redo it. Pero okay lang yan. I am achieving a natural look. And ganyan na. I will just put a little bit of what do you call this? Eyebrows. Eyebrow shade. Ganito. Dito ko siya nilalagay. Ganyan. Super light lang. Oh. That's it. See? Ganyan lang. You don't want to be too much, especially kung pupunta ka lang naman sa gym. Like me. Punta lang ako sa gym. You know, I like to look fresh. Kahit mag-gym. Para mas feel mo yung workout mo. Kasi pag hindi ka pretty when you're working out, you feel like, unmotivated. Right? Right, girls? That's it. Now, if you see this may parang shine and it looks like parang oily, what you do is just dust powder over it para matanggal yung shine or yung sweat or kung ano yan. I think mine is too much of the.
So, I'm here at McDonald's waiting for my coffee because favorite ko talaga yung McDonald's coffee. You're not paying me for this, huh? Anyways, ayan, gusto ko lang pakita kung ano yung itsura nung ginawa kong makeup, no makeup look. So, again, I'm just using my BB cream from Abby Siwa Beauty and then yung tint lang yan and then a bit of contour, very light eyebrows, then yung liner, black na in smudge ko. And then lip tint, that's it. No nose line, walang mga kung ano-ano pang nilagay ko dyan. But I put before the BB cream, I put the sunscreen protection to protect my skin from the sun. Yun lang. So, see? Ang ganda, diba? Actually, nanggaling yung no makeup look sa, I think it's from the fashion industry. Because when you go to the castings, kailangan yung mukhang natural ka, but at the same time, you look fresh. And na-enhance yung mga features mo without looking like all made up. So, yan yung no makeup look. Just did this spontaneously kasi may nakita akong isang influencer na ginawa niya. I got inspired na gawin ko yung or i-share ko sa inyo yung ginagawa ko on my face because this is actually how I do it every day for quite a long time now. And yun nga, napadalas lang because my lola said, mas maganda yung wala kang masyadong makeup. Kasi pag masyadong makapal yung makeup mo, you look like masyadong too much effort, hindi na maganda. So, I trust my lola's opinion and I listen to her. So, ayan. Nag-no makeup look na ako. In fact, naging inspiration ka rin si Lola sa paggawa ng beauty brand ko kasi palagi niya sinasabi sa akin yan, Abby, you look better na walang makeup. Pero kasi gusto ko makeup, right? Ayoko lumabas ng house na walang makeup man lang. So, I had to work with the balance of my makeup, pero mukhang natural. So, ayun yun. Ganda, di ba? Anyways, I hope you learned something today. I'll see you guys soon again. Bye! I'll enjoy my coffee now. Asa na ba yun? Wala pa.